Hello friends, welcome back. My name is PK. In this video you will learn how to create beautiful waffle charts in Google Sheets. As you are seeing my screen, I have created these three beautiful waffle charts for service level, for quality score and for sales conversion percentage. And these are dynamic chart. As you change the value of your KPI metrics, the chart will be changed automatically. Now I'll show you step by step how you can create this in Google Sheet quickly. So let's start without delay. Let's click on this plus button to add a new sheet. So this is sheet 2. We will create our chart from here. Okay. First of all, we will change the size of the column. So let's select the column wherein you want to create this chart. For one chart, we need 10 column, or if you want to create multiple chart, then you can take more column. So let's say I'm selecting whole range and right click, go to the resize columns A to Z. And let's take the size here 20. Click on OK. So we have this size here. Or if you want to make slightly bigger chart, then you can take the size up to 30 also. So let's take here 30. Click on OK. Now in this case, you have to increase the row height also. So let's select the range. Let's say this range. And increase the row height slightly. Let's say this row height. Okay, here I am putting 0.01. In the next cell I am putting this cell plus 0.01, and we will increase it till 0.1, which means till 10%. Okay, we can select this range till here and we can change the formatting here in percentage. So let's click on this format as percentage, and decimal, let's take 0 decimal. So only 1% till 10% you can see here. Now here just use this 10% plus 0.01. So this is 11%. Now we can copy this range and we can paste here. So that formula will be applied and we have 11 to 20%. Select this range and paste in this selection. We have till 100%. Okay. Select this range, the whole range, size take around 8. Go to the alignment, align this center and the vertical alignment also, middle. Go to the view, show and uncheck the grid lines. Alright. In this selected area, we will fill this gray color. Then we will take the white border, take this border and take this thick border. Okay. Now click on all borders. So we have the border. Alright. Now we have to apply the same font color as the background color. So these percentage number will not be appearing. Now go to the font color and take the same color, this one. Okay. So fonts are not visible. Here you can put your KPI matrix and select this range and use merge cells here. Let's say here I am taking service level value. Okay, and here we will put our service level value. So select this range and use the merge cells here also. And for now I'm using the rand between function, but you can put your original service level value. Let's say here I'm taking 10 to 100%. Put here percentage sign. So we will get the service level value in percentage and convert this into percentage. So use this percent as format. Remove the decimal. Okay. Now select this range. Align this center. Align this middle. For the first cell, let's take this color and font color white. Make this bold. Here make this bold, increase the size, and let's take this background color. Alright. Now we will put the conditional formatting here. So select this range, this whole range, go to the format and click on conditional formatting. Okay. And in the format rule, we will select less than or equal to. Okay, and we will put here cell, which is this cell H2, the first cell. Okay, because this is merged, so it is giving the whole range, but we will take the first cell, which is H2. So put here equal to $H$2. Okay, and you can take any theme color. So let's say here I am taking this color and same font color I will take. All right. And just close this. So our waffle chart is ready for the service level. You can see it is dynamic. If I will recalculate, then you can see the value is getting changed because we have used the rand between function, and accordingly the waffle chart is also getting changed. Similarly, you can create for the other KPIs also. Friends, I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button and please subscribe my channel to get the regular update of my videos. Thank you so much for watching.